Well, I've got everything loaded up and I'm ready to make the 3 to 4 mile ride over to the creek. The water level looks good, looks high, looks very fishy back there. It's 85, 90 degrees today with the front moving in. So I'm really hoping we can get on something good. So here we go. Kind of glad he didn't want that. Oh man, never mind. He did want it. Oh, he got off. Got it. Let's see what we got. Little redbreast.
Bluegill.
It's a good way to start. Well, let's hope these redbreasts are fired up today. Oh, it's a shiner. That's the second time. Okay, settle down now. That's the second time I've caught a shiner in here. He's on the other side of the dam now. Well, now I'm fishing with a 5 foot. Just went through some kind of crazy ordeal. Broke my rod tip off. Hit the side of my kayak with a machete. All just to get through all that crap down there. I tried to boot scoot over it, but it wasn't happening. I had to do some Crocodile Dundee stuff. Got something. Bluegill. Oh no, that's a stump knocker. That's ow. Alright, I was able to scoop him out from under my seat. That's a spotted sunfish. Everybody around here calls a stump knocker. Ooh, got something else. Are we rolling? Are we even rolling? Yep. Let's see what we got. It is tiny. Oh, it's a redbreast though. Look at that. Look at that little bitty redbreast. Go show me something bigger. Something again. So we got this time? Ooh, man, that's a nice looking rooster. Oh no, that's a... Is that a stump knocker? Dadgum, that's probably... Man, that's probably a record. If y'all need, these don't get very big at all. This is no joke. I don't think this creek keeps records, but the Little Ocmulgee River does. I wonder what the man, that sucker's fat. Look at this. This is a freaking stump knocker. Look at him. That is a big stump knocker, and I mean, he is fat. Man, I wish I had my scales. I don't know if this is a tributary of a bigger river, but I don't know. I gotta look and see if they even keep records, but it doesn't matter now because I just threw him back. What do we got? Something small. Can't tell. That's a bluegill. Pretty nice bluegill. Mm-hmm. Pretty good one. I might about be out of here. Something else tried to get me hung around that tree. What on earth? That's another stump knocker or bluegill. I can't tell. I think that's a bluegill. Dang, something's stripping out drag. I hope this ain't a jack. I can't tell. Looks like a bass. Dang, what a nice little bass. Come here. Don't come off. Come here. Dang. Dang, he bit that little bitty jig. Look at this, y'all. I was not expecting that on that little bitty jig. I was trying to get some crappie. Look at that chunk. My little ultralight was doubled over, and I lightning never got him. But yeah, he's living good in here. All right, buddy, I'll see you later. All right, and I think that's gonna do it for me too, y'all. It's getting snaky out here, and I may not be able to fish here anymore. The owner just came by and, well, he didn't say I couldn't fish, but he politely told me I can't be on the land. So, well, how am I supposed to get to the water? But that's just how it is. You find new places, meet new people, and you know, that's just how it goes. All right, well, I'm getting loaded up and headed out of here. Had a pretty good day. I'm just tired, ready to go get me some spaghetti, and I will see y'all in the next one.